Oh, well, let me go ahead and just take you for a quick stroll around here. I'm using the Joby tripod as a vlog setup, how it is. This is a messy place right now, so don't judge. You want to say hi to Mowgli? Say hi, Mowgli. Yeah, he's an evil little shit. Yep, so I'm just kind of walking around seeing what the difference is. Different lighting, got the sound going on. Make sure I don't step in Mowgli landmines here. Yeah, beautiful day here in Colorado. Just got the new GoPro and trying to see how the hell to use it, really. It's mainly going to be used for doing Jeep videos, maybe installs. I got some Rock Jock 60 axles. I'm going 1 ton on my JK and 40s. Oh, so excited. Not too much video online about that, so that's why I got the GoPro, and gonna try to document some of it just to kind of share some of the information. I've been lurking on YouTube for years, and figure I'd just go ahead and try to give some back to the community. Maybe, I mean, shit, the axles and the tires and the rims were expensive, so get a little bit more value out of it by sharing the actual install process, how to do bead locks, monster valves. Got a PSC steering, XD big bore setup, and then we're gonna go wheeling here in Colorado. Gosh darn, it is a beautiful, beautiful day right now. Yeah, I think that's it for now. I'm just kind of messing around with the GoPro, and this is my first time actually walking around talking to a stupid camera, and I feel ridiculous even though I'm in my own backyard. I think Mowgli's making fun of me there. He's just wondering what the hell's going on. All right, cool. That's it. Off.